Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy tickets on Ticketswap. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketswap account, which of course I have done right here. The next one is how can you create an account on Ticketswap. I'll show you right away. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type ticketswap.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Ticketswap. Once again, to the website, follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketswap. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, and that is how to buy tickets on Ticketswap. Now, for you to buy tickets, then you have to search for the event you want to buy ticket on, or you want to buy ticket for. Now, from this homepage, go ahead and click on this search bar where you can search for event, artist, venue, or city. So I like to start with the venue. So let's say a country. I just put that New York City, and I just head over to the event tab. Then I'm going to just search for any event that I like. Let's say this Anton Dubeke and the Giovanni Pernice. So I'm going to scroll the way down. I have this seats reserved. So I'm going to click on that, and once I click on that, and it says 2 tickets available, and this is the price, 124,000. That's awesome. So I'm just going to click on this. After clicking on that, the next step is to buy tickets. All right, so I can check one box out and just leave seat 19, just 1 seat, and I'm going to click on the buy ticket button. So after clicking on the buy ticket button, it takes me here. Now this has been added to cart. It has been reserved for 10 minutes. It means after 10 minutes, if I don't make payment, it's going to be up for sale again. So if you have a discount code, you can just go ahead and add the discount code. But if you do not, just go ahead and click on continue. And that takes you here. So you're going to have to add credit or debit card. All right. You can choose that as your payment method. And after doing that, just add your card number, expiry date, CVV, cardholder name, and after that, go ahead and click on continue. Now you can check this box to save details for next time. Okay, or uncheck this as your payment method. Right, it doesn't seem like it's checking yet. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So just go ahead and add all of this information, click on continue. That way you'll be able to make payment and buy your ticket. So you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.